Hi, I'm Wade with Winnebago Motorhomes, and today we're going to be going over a brand new 2023 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31H floor plan. The Minnie Winnie 31H is built on a Ford E450 chassis. So right up front here on our passenger side, we do have a storage compartment right here. And then right around the corner from our entry door, I have another storage compartment right there. Kind of right behind our rear wheels, another storage compartment here, and then the very back storage compartment actually goes all the way through to the other side, which is also a very large storage compartment. Back of the motorhome here, right below our rear bumper, we do have our 2-inch hitch receiver with a towing capacity of 7,500 pounds and a 7-pin wiring connector down there for towing. We've also got our rear camera back here, brake lights, running lights, all that. Right around the corner on the rear driver's side here, this is going to give us access to the other side of that pass-through storage compartment, which is much larger than the other side. We've got kind of storage above and below in there, so tons of storage in the back of this unit. And then right down the line here, we've got some holding tank drains below, water hookups right above it, fuel fill, and then we've got access here to our permanent mount propane tank. And then underneath our slide out here, this is going to be another storage compartment, also where we can roll up our shore power cord. This is going to give us access to our gasoline generator. And then the very last one down here is going to be storage. So up front here in the cab of the Ford E450 chassis, we've got a large in-dash radio screen here. And this chassis does have adaptive cruise as well as other driving safety features. So above our cab area here, we do have an over-the-cab sleeper bunk, window on the one side, vent right above it. Our TV is also going to be on a swivel mount over here, so we can pull this out and turn it towards our main living area, which kind of takes us into our U-shaped dinette right here. This does make a bed. We've got storage below and above me here. And then directly across from the U-shaped dinette here is going to be our jackknife sofa there. So in the up position, just regular sofa, you can also fold that down into a jackknife bed, and you do have storage below the sofa and above. So right next to our couch, we do have a 3-burner propane cooktop as well as an oven. We got storage below that, and then we got a microwave right above it. And then right next to me here, we've got our main kitchen countertop with our double stainless steel sink and storage above and below that as well. We've also got some pull-out drawers kind of around the corner here too. Directly across here is going to be our propane and electric refrigerator, freezer up here, fridge down below, more storage here. So just around the corner from the kitchen here, we've got a lot of our main controls for the motorhome on the wall there, running right next to a pantry area. And directly across from us then is going to be our bunk bed area. The top bunk does flip up, so you can use this for hanging storage if you don't need that extra bunk. And we do have some pull-out drawer below there for extra storage. So directly across from our bunk area is going to be our bathroom. Got storage above our toilet as well as below our countertop with our sink. Shower right there and our skylight right above it. We also have a powered vent fan in the bathroom as well. So then right inside our master bedroom in the back, we've got storage across from our bed with our TV. Large window in the very back as well as a window above the bed. Storage on either side of the bed as well as outlets, and then more storage above the bed as well. That's the new 2023 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 31H floor plan. We currently have this unit in stock. Stock number is 10783, and you can view it in person here at Winnebago Motorhomes in Rockford, Illinois, or online at winnebagomotorhomes.com. We're currently celebrating 55 years of service as a Winnebago dealer, so stop out and see for yourself how our many years of experience and award-winning customer service will make purchasing your RV easier than ever. My name is Wade, and thanks for watching.